the team of Shanzens and Jamaican Vibes was invited to the peaceful community of Victoria in beautiful Clarendon, Jamaica, to meet Mrs. Pauline Givans. She is a farmer, a principal, a teacher, a justice of the peace, a mother, a hard worker, and the epitome of a strong and virtuous Jamaican woman, a true mother of the soil. This is another inspirational Jamaican with another inspirational story. This is Shanzens and Jamaican Vibes, showcasing the positive side of our beautiful island, Jamaica. Hello everyone, welcome back to Shanzens and Jamaican Vibes. Today I am here with, I think this story, every time I do a story I say it's the most inspirational story. But I think today this one just might be the most inspirational story I've done thus far. So we're here with Mrs. Pauline Givans. Good morning, how are you doing?
I'm fine, thank you.
I want you to introduce yourself to Jamaica and the world, you know. Because I might take longer than you would. Yeah.
Yes. All right. I'm Pauline Givans. I'm the principal of the Victoria Early Childhood Institution. Yes. I'm a justice of the peace. That's why I'm a mediator. Yes. I'm a chairman for the Wanstead Primary School. Yes. And I'm very active in my church. I'm the praise leader at my church. I'm a deaconess. I chair most of the rallies in this community, rallies, concerts, and always emceeing weddings here, there, and everywhere. So as far back as in 1990 onward, I'm chairing rallies, concerts, chairing parties, and all those things.
Right.
Yes, all right. I'm a community person.
But
yes.
But most importantly, to me, you're feeding the nation. You're a farmer.
I'm a farmer. Yes,
right.
A proud farmer. I'm a proud farmer. Yes, a proud farmer.
Okay. Yes. So how long have you been farming?
You know, as my first crop, I planted my first crop of peas when I was about 15 years old.
Oh.
Yeah, so it's many years ago, over 40 years.
Okay.
Yes, over 40 years ago.
Okay.
Yes.
So what inspired you to start farming?
You know, my father is a great farmer.
Okay.
Great farmer, yes.
Yeah.
Great farmer, and I watch him doing his farm, also my grandfather. Right. And from there, I noticed when he reaped the things, how lovely they were looking. And you know, he always put food on the table. And from then I said, I want to be a farmer. And then he always said to us, do something, whatever I'm doing, try to do something, because you don't know what kind of husband you're going to get.
Right.
So from then, I started to do farming. Yeah, and he's still doing farming now.
Oh, yes. He's still doing farming?
Yes, he's a very great farmer.
Oh, wow. I would love to meet him.
Yeah, I hope you'll meet him soon.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
All right. So we're actually in the community of Victoria in beautiful Clarendon.
Yes.
And it's a nice, cool day. I like the climate here in Victoria.
Yes, on top of the Mocha Mountain.
Oh, we're on top of the Mocha Mountain?
Yes, right up there.
Oh, yes. Wow. So it's a good climate to do farming.
Yes.
All right. And we're going to be touring your farm today.
Yes, miss.
What are some of the things you have on your farm?
So prepare that you're going to walk a long distance. I have so far Irish potatoes, corns, carrots, cocoa,
right?
Yam, bananas, plantain, a whole lot of yam.
Yes. Whoa.
Yes, so too much to name. But as we go along.
How big is your yam field? I heard that you're the biggest yam farmer in the area.
No, you know, there's some men in this area. Wow, they're great farmers.
Oh, wow.
Yes, I have 1,000 ears of yam.
1,000?
Yeah.
Wow.
There are men in this area who would have 3, 4, 5,000.
Oh, okay.
There are some hard-working men in Victoria.
Oh.
Thumbs up to the men in Victoria.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. Yes. Excellent. Yes. All right. So we're on your carrot farm now.
Yes.
And we're going to head. Which farm we're going to head to next?
We're going to head to the beetroot. I have beetroots over there too.
Okay.
Yes.
So we're going to go over to the beetroot.
Yes.
All right.
All right. first. We had some Irish potato here.
Yeah.
So we with the Irish potato, now we put the carrots.
Okay.
And then I'm trying beetroots for the second time because they're hard to come.
Oh.
So yeah, the beetroot.
They plant a lot of beetroots in South St. Elizabeth.
Okay.
Yeah.
So these are the beetroots.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. And beetroot is very good for us.
Yes, yeah. And those two handsome gentlemen there, they're helping me. They're great farmers, you know, these two gentlemen.
Oh, yes.
Uncle and nephew. Two great farmers. They have their own farm and everything, but they're helping me today and I'm so grateful.
Okay.
Yes.
Hello, hello.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
Yeah.
How is it on the farm today?
Well, it's a bit hot, but we are getting there.
It's hot?
The sun.
And I find it to be cool.
Welcome to our climate.
Okay. So what exactly are you doing right now?
Bushing carrots.
Bushing carrots? Oh, you're taking out the weeds and stuff?
Taking out the weeds from the carrots.
All right. All right, so we're going to continue on with the tour.
So I have pumpkin over here.
Ooh.
The heavy rain, because Mother Nature can be so rough on me at times.
Yes.
Where I plant pumpkin right through.
Mm-hmm.
But because of the weather, most of the pumpkin cover up under the soil. But I capture a few of them. Yes.
Yeah, I see pumpkins over there.
Yes, and the pumpkin there. So a little patch of Dasheen, because I had those suckers and didn't know where to put them. So I placed them right there and put some cocoa on the bottom. And then my faithful donkey.
Oh, that's
Dapple.
your donkey?
Yes.
What's the donkey
Her
name?
name is Dapple.
Okay, Dapple.
Gray, yes.
I like Dapple. I like that name, Dapple.
Yeah. So I was so tired of carrying the load. The load is so hard to carry from down in the gully there.
Yes.
So I make sure I purchase this little donkey here.
Oh.
And she's so quiet.
Hey, Dapple. Dapple belly fat though.
Yes.
Dapple eating healthy.
Yes. Dapple. Yes. So.
Dapple don't give any trouble though.
No, very quiet.
Oh,
so
okay.
these peas, I didn't plant them after reaping the Irish potato. They just grow up in it automatically.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Austin, yes, man. And my little Austin, they would tell you that Austin follow me everywhere as long as it's not at school. So here I have Austin.
Yes.
He's my nephew.
Okay.
He's living with me since January. But as long as it's not a school day, Austin would be on the farm with me.
Okay.
I have a restriction though. When it's studying time, Austin has to stay home.
Right.
Because I believe in education.
Yes.
100%. So he would stay home
Right.
when he has his lesson to do. But away from that, he would come on the field with me every single day.
Okay.
Yes.
Hello, Mr. Aston. Hello. So you're a farmer too?
Yes, he has his water bowl.
Yes.
Come in.
Uh-oh, his heart fell. Alright.
So we're going on the bottom red and white.
Yes. We're going on this farming journey.
So here, for the first time, I'm planting gungo.
Oh.
So Austin and I, we planted those gungos last week. Yeah, first time planting gungo.
You planted gungos, Austin?
Yeah.
Good job. Okay, so you're trying gungo.
Yes, dear? Yes, man. Mother Nature, yes. So here I have corn.
Right.
Here I have my cornfield.
Yes.
I love so much. But you know what I like about this cornfield?
Yeah.
You can put other crops in it. You can see there pumpkin.
Oh,
Last
yes.
week I picked 140 pounds of cucumber from the same field.
Wow.
Yes, and I planted string bean in there.
Right.
And 2 weeks ago, last week and the other week,
Yes.
I picked over 120 pounds of string bean, just the same.
Wow.
Yeah, so string bean in there, pumpkin, string bean, pumpkin, corn, cucumber in the same field.
Wow.
Yes.
So
And
these corns
cocoa.
are ready?
Yes, miss?
Are these corn ready?
No. They're young corns. They're young corns. See, they're just putting in. Yes, the corns, they're just coming up.
Yes.
So I hope to God the parakeet won't find them before they're ready.
Yeah.
Yes. So see, they're coming. Maybe
Yes.
by the end of next month.
Okay.
Yes, I can send corn to the market. So that's the pumpkin. So that
Right.
this
So the cucumber is finished now?
I have like a few in there. The trees, they are going down.
Okay.
Maybe I can find a few.
Right. These corn are looking good, man.
Yes, and fat and nice and juicy.
Yes.
So the cucumbers, most of them. Oh, see, I only have a few on the tree.
Yes.
And I also plant tomato in there in the one field.
Wow.
So many things: corn, tomato, cucumber, pumpkin in the one field. Yes.
Wow.
Yes, so the cucumber trees, they don't last for long. So they're actually going down now.
Okay.
So there, I know that rats will step in. So I came yesterday morning and I started chopping out the bush from there.
Oh, okay.
So Monday, I am going to come and chop out all the bush from the corn.
Oh.
Yes. All right. Yes.
Lord, I haven't seen so many corns in a while.
Yes, and when you go home, you're going to see some more still.
Oh. Am I walking in the right direction?
Yes, you're walking in the right direction.
No, I think I'm taking. Oh.
Yes,
Okay.
so last year, I just started farming here last year.
Yes.
But Mother Nature was so rough on me. My cabbage, all of it went down in a landslide.
Oh, wow.
Yes, we had a landslide when it was raining October, November.
I remember
Yes.
when the landslide was in Kingston and
Yes,
in Manchester,
yes.
Clarendon had
So
some
it took
too.
a piece of my crop with it down that way.
Wow.
And then the remaining cabbage, the rain came and it just rotten down to nothing. So I didn't get anything. I spent a lot of money, but I did not reap.
Wow.
Yes, yes. It was so sad. So farming is nice, but it has its advantages and disadvantages because honestly last year it was very rough on me.
Wow.
Yes.
Man, I can just imagine planting your crop and then seeing it going
Yes,
down
and
the
then I
drain.
paid to do most of the things because so the tomato plant in the same field.
Wow, you have tomato
Yes.
and you have, is that cabbage down there?
Cabbage, same field.
Tomato,
Yes.
cabbage, cucumber,
Cucumber,
pumpkin, and corn.
in the same field.
Wow.
Yes.
That's smart.
Yes.
Because persons probably wouldn't think of doing it like that.
Like that, yes.
And this is redhead. This is good for cold and asthma.
Yes, so true.
All right, so you have to lead the way.
Yes. So my yam field start from over. See, I have planting too.
Oh,
Want debushing because the plantains, they were planted after the rain, and I noticed how the land was running. I put the plantains there.
this is all planting?
Yeah, plantains.
Okay.
So see, I start circling them. I start weed up with them out.
Okay.
Oh, but this farm here is not mine. This one is not mine. My husband's father sold this land to our neighbor.
Oh,
So
okay.
they're working. But that over there is mine.
Oh, okay.
So it's a hilly terrain. So prepare to walk down the hill and around the valley and around the curves.
Oh, I'm ready. I'm prepared.
Yes, so this is what I do almost every day.
Wow.
Yeah.
And you have to teach,
Yes.
right?
And boy. And that's my passion.
So how do you manage? How do you juggle teaching and farming and all the other hats that you wear?
And
Being a
sometimes,
JP?
I even wonder how I do it.
Oh, yeah.
But when it comes to my teaching job, I take it very seriously.
Okay.
So in the mornings, I would wake up from, my daughter can tell you, from 3, 4 o'clock.
Right.
And if I have my lesson to prepare, I would prepare my lesson. Then afterwards, I would do my little things I have in the house to do, the house chores. Then I go and tie the goat, feed the donkey,
Yeah.
and then go to school. It's hard. And when I go to school, I don't sit. I'm on my feet all day.
Oh,
All
yes.
day. There are times when I'm the janitor at school.
Yeah.
There are times when I'm the cook. And there are times when I'm the groundsman.
Oh, wow.
Yes, so I clean the schoolyard. I'll do anything on my job. And I take my job very seriously because it has a history
Yes.
behind it.
Oh,
Yes.
wow. Wow. You're a phenomenal Jamaican woman,
Yes, I try. And
man.
that that does not say I'm not tired. Sometimes I'm tired enough. Like last night, I did my house duties last night. I washed yesterday. The men were working the field. I cooked. And then in the night, I do the house duties. It was so hard. I went to bed after 11 and I could hardly wake up this morning.
Oh,
Very
wow.
hard. Yeah, very hard.
What a great role model for a young woman. Oh, I'm so inspired.
Yes.
Oh my God.
So, this land belongs to my husband's late father. So, the good thing, we don't buy bamboos.
Okay, because
God
you have a
bless his-
whole lot of
yeah.
bamboo.
God bless his soul. And God bless my mother-in-law too. She's all of 93 years old. I wanted to meet her.
I would want to meet
Yeah,
her too.
she's living next door to me.
Oh,
Yes.
great. So when I go back up, I can meet her.
She's a kind Jamaican woman who would say, Auntie P, go and work the land because I cannot work it.
Oh, Lord. Wow. Wow. Whole lot of bamboo.
Yes, a lot of bamboos, so we don't buy that.
Yes.
So, here my yam farm starts from right here.
Okay.
Right here.
And you say this is 1,000 hills.
No, not this. This here is 218 hills.
Oh,
So
okay.
we're going further. So
Yes.
you have to take your time.
All right.
Come down, yes. My late brother-in-law, used to work here, but he died year before last.
Okay.
So the farm went down. We didn't even have the yammed anymore. So I took it on my head and started working this farm.
You know that it's the tallest yam sticks I've ever seen ever
Really?
in my life.
Really?
Even in Trelawney, I don't see them do the sticks so tall.
Yeah, ours is tall.
Wow. Wow.
So over here now, we cut the bamboos from here,
Right.
and because it's illy, we roll them down,
Oh.
and then those farmers, thumbs up to the farmers in Victoria.
Yes.
They're simple, the best.
Oh,
The
okay.
young men, they're so strong and they're willing. Most of them, they're willing to work. Thumbs up to the Victorians. And they're really, really great farmers. All right, so
Okay,
that's where we
awesome.
get the bamboos from.
Mm-hmm.
So we reap some of this yam this year.
Oh. Wow. I honestly have never seen yams so tall, growing so tall.
Yes.
Wow.
So this now, I'll reap it next month when yam is selling for a good price.
Oh, okay.
So I'm gonna dig a yam.
Mm-hmm.
Dig one of this yam. Not quite ready, but you know I want a piece of yam to eat later.
Right.
So first I always clean off the ear, you know?
Yes.
That's what I learned from the beginning. You clean off the ear so you won't have a lot of grass around it.
Okay.
Right. Yeah. So let me get a piece of stick.
Yeah.
Some people use machete to dig it, but I use sticks. I'm gonna get a piece of stick.
Okay.
Okay. Yes, so I don't have a fork with me today, so I'm gonna use a stick.
Oh,
We call
okay.
it a boar stick. We're gonna use it to dig the yam.
Oh, okay.
Alright. So here I'm gonna dig this full of yam.
Right.
So it's very, very tough. But I'm gonna try to use a stick to dig it. Yeah.
Okay. Way down. And this is clay soil.
Yes.
Oh.
It's not too big, you know, because it's not ready. But I want piece of yam to cook, man.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
See, I cut it.
Okay.
See?
Yes.
See, I got a lovely piece of yam from my yam here. Yeah.
Okay. And this is yellow yam. But
Yellow yam, yes.
This is the only yam you plant, or you have white yam?
No, I don't have white yam.
Oh,
Just
okay.
yellow yam.
Oh, okay.
Alone for now. So I just take out one piece because they're not ripe. And I don't want to eat. When the yam is not ripe, it's bitter.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So here, when I come back, I'll dig this vine. This is one vine. So I take out this vine. And there's another vine around here.
Oh,
So I'll get those yam when I come back.
Wow.
So what I will do now is mold up the hill. Yeah. I'm molding up the hill. So when I come back now, the yam will be ready and nice to dig. Yeah.
Okay. So this is 3 different yam head, or is
3 different yam heads.
Oh, okay.
1, 2, 3 pieces.
Oh,
Yeah.
so I've never seen it plant like
Yeah,
this.
we plant them like that. And then the remainder will plant a piece at the back. So this is for, we call it backers.
Okay.
So when you reap out the yam, you leave that one piece at the back there.
Oh.
So when they're working up the farm, you still get more yam.
Okay.
Right.
I see.
Yes.
That's very smart.
Yes, very smart.
I've never seen yam done in this way.
Yes.
You know?
Right, so here I get my piece of yam. So
All right. So we're gonna continue on the journey.
Yes, I'll see you in the bag. Share the bag, yes,
You can manage.
So this is the boy. So he's so full of energy. Really helped me. Really helped me.
He's helpful.
Very helpful. Very,
Farmer
very helpful.
Austin. You helpful?
Yeah.
That's great. Like what you'll do on the farm, Austin.
Tell what to do at the farm. He
Come.
dig yam. When we were digging Irish potato the other day, he dig his own crate of Irish potato.
Oh yeah?
Yes, that we sold for him, and the money will go in his bank book.
Okay, good job, Austin.
So I'm planting pine for the first time, pineapple.
Wow.
Yes, I planted, and they were planted Thursday of this week.
Okay.
Some kind of pineapple. When you are a farmer, you must try to plant every little thing you can plant.
Right.
So you have a nice planting up there. Yes.
Oh, that's planting.
Yes.
Okay. Nice bunch of plant. One
Yes.
coming out over there too.
Yes, yes. Alright, so here
A pineapple.
pineapple for the first time.
Mm-hmm.
So since it's an experiment,
Yes.
it's my son who took this for me the other day. So what I'm gonna do, I have some soil. I'm gonna go through and plant some soil in between. Use up the land, just like what I did with the corn. Use up the land, man. Use up the land. And down there, I'm gonna put some cucumber.
Okay.
Yes, so you won't have just the pineapples that will take over a year to come. Plant something that you can get some money out of it to buy the fertilizer.
When I'm coming back, I'm gonna bring a lot of sorrel seeds for
Oh
you.
yes, I would want that.
Because I didn't know that they plant sorrel in this area.
Yes.
Because I would have taken some sorrel seeds for you.
Yes.
Okay. Wow.
Here's where I call Jordan.
Jordan?
Yes, here we call it because when it's raining, you can't cross it.
Oh yeah.
So the children name it. My children name it Jordan.
Okay.
Jordan River.
Alright,
Yes,
River
so
Jordan.
You remember the children of Israel when they were going through,
Yes.
they have to wait by the Jordan.
Yes.
Yes. So this is our Jordan.
Okay.
So whenever it's raining, you
Yes.
can't come here because the water is very, very heavy.
Oh.
So we have to put logs over there. And on a day when I'm tired and taking up water for the cows, I always come here and rest.
Okay.
This is my little place where I rest on this stump.
This is
Yes.
your resting
My
stump.
resting stump, yes.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
Alright. Nice. I like the environment here. It's so quiet
Right,
and
yes,
cool.
cool, yes. So when we're crossing Jordan now,
Yes.
that's where we throw the stump so we can cross over.
Okay.
Over Jordan.
Okay, we're crossing Jordan.
Yes. Over here, that's where the yam farm starts.
Yes.
This little girl is so lucky because as I tell her, she goes to the university.
Yeah.
So, last year I looked at it and I said, I need to give her a star. So, this is 26 ears of yam.
We're talking about your daughter.
Come, girl, that's it. Right. So, Joe there also give me a reason to do farming.
Right.
Going to the university, and I'm not bragging, we don't take the student loan.
Right.
So, I have to work even harder. So, last year when she came down, I said, Joe dear, this farm is yours. So she reaped her yam this year, and she show off, and she saved her money from this. So going to university,
Yes.
it's her second year.
Right.
But I have to tell you a story about her.
Yes.
When she started university, we did not have much money.
Right.
But I said, Jody, please wait until we get some more money. No, I'm not staying. People will not come to nothing. I'm not staying. All right. And when she
She's
came
very
down,
ambitious.
yeah, in the first year, one day,
Yes.
what even motivated me more to do my farming? One weekend she came down. When she came to the house, we have food for her to take back to school.
Yes.
But there was no money.
Oh.
I had only $2,200. So I asked a cousin of hers to take her to school.
Yes.
And I gave the $2,000 to make up the gas money, because you know we must appreciate people. And when
Yes.
people they're helping us, we must not take it lightly.
No.
And I had only $200, and I said to her, take this 200 Jamaican dollars and go. And she took the $200 and went to college. She said when she went, what happened when you went?
I bought a water, and then the next morning she called me and she said the Lord did something very, very special, and she said I should go and check my bank account. And when I went and I checked, it was $10,000. So thanks to God and thanks to farming.
Oh.
Yes,
Oh.
yes,
Wow.
Yes.
This story made me want to
Yes,
cry.
yes.
Look in my eye.
Yes. And
Wow.
sometimes when they call, there's no money in our pocket.
Yes.
But there's a lady who lives up the road. And I want to mention her. She won't be mad with me, Miss Fanny.
Yes.
She purchased the things cash.
Right.
And I just called Miss Fanny and said, Miss Fanny, I have 2 plantains. I can find 200 yam. And she will say, yes, ma'am, may I come? And she'll just give me the money cash on spot, and I just send it to their account, because it's 2 of them in university.
Oh,
A bigger
yeah.
girl, yes.
Oh, you have another daughter in
Yeah, no,
university?
in university, she'll be finished this year, but she's on her 2nd year.
Oh,
But
okay.
God bless this farm,
Yes.
because I don't know how my children will go to school.
Wow.
I'm sure my job provides that money. But when you get it, it's not even enough. But when you have something to back it up, you know, at one point,
You see, I'm crying his story.
one of the daughters, all fee was $31,000 per month, and the other one was 27.
Wow.
And when we pay that, we have to give them their little money for their little ledger. We have to give them their food money. Sometimes there was no money left in the home. But I sacrifice.
Yes.
And thank God for these 2 hands.
Oh my God.
I just thank God. God said to Moses, I also want to cry. What is that in you? And use it.
Yes.
Thank God for these 2 hands that I use to work this farm to send my children to the university. I just want to thank God. God is indeed good. And we must put our trust in God.
Yes.
Because He will make a way. There are times when she call and she say, Mommy, I don't have anything, you know. And it's not mountain, I don't have anything either.
Right.
Daddy is over there, but Daddy is working and he's helping in his own way.
Right.
A very good father.
Yes.
Very good father. But sometimes the Canadian money, it is small. We all know that. And sometimes there are bills to be paid.
Right.
There's this to be done, that to be done.
Yes.
But thank God I can rush to the farm and I can find 2 pieces of yam, a cabbage, a carrot, send it off to them, and then sell 100 pounds of yam to send the money to them.
Wow.
God is good. That's how it is.
What
God
a
is good.
story.
Yes.
You motivate me so much hearing this story.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
You motivate me so much, because sometimes I'm doing, I'm a YouTuber and I have my daughter. She's an online class and I do my little hustling. I sell new and used clothes.
Yes.
And I complain so much. When I hear your story,
Yes.
I realize that I don't have nothing to complain about.
Yes.
Because
yes.
you are doing so many
Yes.
things
So many things.
with only two hands.
Only 2 hands. Sometimes I wonder myself how I manage.
Yes.
I don't miss my church services for nothing. If I miss a church service, you know that I'm sick or anything. And to be absent from school, no, that's not my thing.
Wow.
I think if you're employed by the government to work, you must go there and work. You're employed to work. You don't go and do your own thing. So when it comes to that now, I would come and do whatever I have to do when it's not a school day. But when it's a school day, I go there and I give it 100%. 100%.
Wow.
Yes.
Mrs. Pauline Givans, it's persons like you and your daughter, who deserve all the support and help and everything that can be lended or given
Yes.
to you. You
Yes.
deserve it.
Yes.
Trust me.
So let me tell you before we even go further. On a regular morning, when I wake up in the 4 o'clock and I'll do the duties inside, because I believe that our houses should be well kept too.
Yes.
Yes, so it's not only the farm and the school. Where you live must be clean and neat.
Yes.
So after doing my little devotion, and the kitchen is downstairs, I would pass through the kitchen because I don't have the time. I rear chickens as well, and I wash their pans, feed them. I rear rabbits, I feed my rabbits, I feed my birds, and then head out with my goats to tie them out. Tie out my goats. Sometimes when I'm coming back, I feel like I would lay down in the road because I'm so tired.
Right.
Then feed my donkey, and if it's a school day, then go to school and do all that I'm supposed to do in school.
Wow.
If the cook is absent, I'm going to cook. I'm not going to call any teacher and say, you go and cook. No. I'm not bossy. I'm not going to say, you go and cook and you go and clean. And if the bathrooms need to clean, I'll run down there and clean the bathrooms. And if outside want to weed, I'll weed it. And if you want to sweep, I'll sweep it.
Oh.
Yes. And after school, then after I reach home, sometimes I can only say, thank you, Jesus, that I reach home. I would drop everything again and all over. Feed my chicken, feed the animals, do this, do that. Sometimes the pot cook in the night.
Oh
we
my
understand.
God.
We understand.
Yes,
We understand.
yes.
That's all. I am not the strongest person, but I just thank God for the strength He gives me.
Yes.
And if it's a church day, the praise lead, I say no, I would have to be there. And I go to church and I would give it my best shot. And I'm a worshiper.
Yeah.
And when I go, I'm gonna worship. Yes, and then go back home and it's all over again. I don't
Yes.
get a day that I take a break.
Wow.
It's all over and all over. But thanks to my daughter, she made the juice. So she would do the string bean and the cucumbers and everything.
Yes.
And she would blend up some good juice for me.
So
Yes.
that gives you strength.
Strength.
Strengthen your body.
Yes, strengthen my body. Yes.
Wow.
Yes, that's how it is.
Such a inspirational and motivating story.
Yes.
Wow. And so I know that you're a JP. You say you're a JP too. So what are some of the duties you have as a JP?
Oh Lord. Number one, the recommendations. Oh Lord. Sometimes I have to do like 10. Then the bank forms. Then to fill out the passport, to stamp pictures. One
Yes.
thing as a JP, I promise to serve and I'm serving. As long as your documents are legal, I am going to do them.
Yes.
Yes, so I do all of that. So when they come with their documents, if it's something that I can do in the night,
Right.
I'll do it in the night. If something that they want, and guess what? My number is a public number. The JP,
Yes.
they can call me anytime during the day. Don't call me 12 o'clock at night.
Right.
So they can call me and say, Sister Pauline, that's what they call me. I have some documents. I say, yes, drop them off at the gate. And if I'm going to the field in the mornings and I know they're going to need their document to go to Maypen, Mandeville, or anywhere,
Right.
I put them in a bag. I put them on the grill. And I make sure I take the dog with me so they
Oh.
can go and retrieve their documents.
Yes.
I try my best as a JP to serve and serve well. Then I'm a mediator.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, there are times when there are petty cases in the community that you don't want to go to
Court.
And the young men here, because we know that they are young men and little things might happen. You don't want them to face anything that, they'll be in jail for a long time or even go to prison. If it's something I can help, I call and I do their mediation. Just like that.
Wow.
Yes.
A woman of many hats.
Yeah. And at the same time, if the principal for the Wanted school, which is in a remote area, very far from here, call
Yeah.
me and say, I have documents to sign. Yes, I spend time, I'll sign them. If there are things to be done at the school, I'll go there. I also serve on the Victoria Primary School Board.
Oh, okay.
Yes, and if there's a meeting, early, very, very rare I'll be absent. I try to do everything that I have to do. Sometimes I even wonder how I do it. But then I remember...
I'm here in R too, so
Yes.
yes.
Yeah. In 1993, I was pregnant with my second son. And I wanted to go to a convention at the Full Truth Church. And the pregnancy was so advanced that I couldn't go. And I heard the voice of God. Arise. And it's taken from Isaiah chapter 60 and verse 1.
Yes.
Arise, shine, for the light is come, and the glory of God is risen upon you. And that's where I get my strength.
Amen.
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 Wow.
Yes, so we continue.
Yes.
Yes.
Wow. Oh my God. Your story is one of the others. This is the second time I'm speechless, or maybe the third time doing a video. I don't have nothing to say. You saw the tears, right?
Yes.
Because your story really touched me, you know.
Yes, so the yam farm start here. I have a coconut tree. I took it from Westmoreland. My
Yes.
son, who called you,
Yes.
wife is from Westmoreland. So
Okay.
we went on it.
Oh. But you have more than one coconut trees.
Yes, another one up there.
Yes, I can see it.
So this land, when we come by this land,
Yeah.
it's a miracle from God.
Oh yeah?
You know, there was an old man living in the Thompson area, like 2 miles from there, from here. So the whole man, he used to come on the farm, but he come very late in the days. You know, he would walk and talk to people on the way.
Yes.
So he'd reach here very late. So in the evenings, he would go home very, very, very late also. So in the evenings, I would look out for him, make a little coffee for him,
Yeah.
or give him a cold drink or something. And he said to me one day, Miss Givans, you know, I work on a piece of land, it's not mine. But you know, if me dead, I'm going to ask the owner to sell you.
Oh.
Yes, and that's how we come by the land.
Okay.
Yes, there was a great politician in our country, Mr. Stone.
Yes.
God bless you, Mr. Stone. Mr. Clifton Stone. His parents owned this land.
Okay.
Yes, and they were selling the land. And thank God, they sold it to us. God is indeed good.
Oh,
Yes,
wow,
yes,
wow.
yes.
And how many acres of land
4
is it?
acres of land.
4 acres.
Yes.
Wow. Oh, wow. That's a lot of land. Yes, so wow, this is the
Dasheen.
Dasheen.
So the Dasheen has a story behind it, you know. I have stories for everything.
Yes.
One day, I was on my way to Chilani.
Yes.
A pastor who pastored the church where my mother attended, Sunbury.
Right.
His mother died and we were going to the funeral.
Yes.
So in the vehicle, they were talking about farm and everything. So I said to them, you know, I want to plant some dasheen and I cannot get any suckers. And a lady whispered to me, Miss Merlin, thank you.
Yeah.
And said, I'm going to give you some suckers.
Yes.
And she gave me so I prepared the land first because it's a mad rush for dasheen suckers now.
Okay.
So she gave me the dasheen suckers. And after planting them, there were 2 O's that did not get any suckers. And I went back home, and where I threw the suckers that she gave me, I found the 2 suckers.
Oh,
so I
yeah.
know it's a blessing.
Oh, what a story.
The dasheens though, there's an insect that affect them. It's called whitefly.
Okay.
So sometimes I plant them and they'll go down. But this, we plant since March and they're doing so well.
Yes.
So we're trying to control the whitefly.
Yeah.
The only thing is expensive to buy the pesticides and the this and the that.
Right.
You know, I pay to do most of the work. So, you know, you have to pay that money. The fertilizer is very expensive and the pesticide. But we try our best to maintain it. So the dasheens from way down there. And the bamboos, they're also ours.
Right.
See them come right around there. Yes.
Oh, all of the bamboos on this land is yours
All
too.
of the bamboos, yes.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah, and I have the plantains plant through the. So I don't plant one thing in any one space.
Yes.
Down there, when they captured me the other day, I was picking string bean from the farm down there. So I plant string bean in the dasheen. So also plant red peas in dasheen. We could go down there, you could see.
Yes.
Yes.
String beans and red peas.
Yes.
I like how you mix up the different crops so you don't plant one thing.
No.
So when you're reaping string beans, you still probably have waiting on red peas to come
Yes.
or dasheen. Wow.
And I make sure, even though it's expensive,
Yes.
I get an ocean spray per week.
Okay.
Yeah, ocean spray. So if you see my bottle there, I always get an ocean spray.
Okay. So the ocean spray, what does it do for you?
to me, it's refreshing,
Yes.
and I think it cleanses the body. That's what I think. You know?
Yeah, right.
So I really love it.
Oh.
So if you go to all of my farms, you'll see a little bottle because I try to buy even a bottle per week. It's my daughter who told me that I should buy it.
Okay.
Yes. So these are the Dasheens.
Yes.
I call the sword.
Right.
Sword. So when I'm planting the Dasheens, I love to plant these because we call these one pop. They give you one pop Dasheen. Once you plant this, it's not going to give you all the little suckers.
Okay.
So when they go to the market and say, I don't want that one with the suckers.
Yeah.
All right. When I cut this from the food now,
Yes.
what I do, I circle it, give it a little circle, cut around it.
Mm-hmm.
So when it bare, it will give me a nice Dasheen.
Oh.
All right. So after planting it now, the only challenge is that the white flies are taking over Dasheens.
Yes.
And so we spray them
Right.
to control the white flies.
Mm-hmm.
And when we are molding the Dasheen, another technique, you mold the Dasheen right up because the Dasheen don't bear go down,
Oh.
Dasheen bear come up.
Okay.
Yeah, so if you don't mold them properly,
Yes.
as they start to bear, then the Dasheen, the food will be exposed to the sunlight. And then you don't get a good yield from it.
Okay.
All right, yes. So, see, one bean is so much.
Wow.
One bean here.
Yes.
Yes.
Another one under there.
Yes, another one on there.
Mhm.
So we don't normally pull them up, but because there are weeds in the ground, we just pull them up.
Oh, okay.
Yes. And I also plant cucumber in the same field.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. I like that. I like how you plant,
Yes.
a variety of crops.
Yes,
So
in the same field.
yes, that's very smart.
Yes. That yam you're looking at, we're going to walk up there.
Yes.
All of that yam from that point go all the way around.
Yes.
It's mine.
Okay.
All of it, yeah. But I plant them in different sections.
Yes.
So you will have one crop that come in March,
Yes.
one April, May, June, because I don't want to be hungry. And I
Yes.
want my children to have food.
Right.
Yes,
Right. Rotation farming. So
right,
you plant the yam and
So,
rotation.
yes, yes.
Right. Mm.
Right, so this one Dasheen field, so it has the red peas,
Yeah.
has pumpkins, the pumpkin on there,
I see it.
cucumber, plantain, and cane.
Wow.
Yes, utilizing the space.
My word.
After you finish reaping the Dasheen, you will still have something in the field. You'll have the canes,
Right.
plantains to keep up the field.
Yes.
And here I have my cow up there.
Oh, that's your cow.
Yes. I have the young men up there. Look after the cow for me.
Right.
Yes.
Oh, what's the cow's name?
Juan.
Okay, Joanne.
Yeah.
Okay. Nice healthy cow.
Yes. That's the cow.
Yes. Okay, so we're going up to this yam heaven.
And yes.
This is yam heaven.
Yes. Here, even if in my wildest dream,
Yes.
I can tell you. So here we have 94 ears of yam down here.
Yeah.
I'll reap them like in June.
Okay.
Yes, you see the ground is clean and nice. And you see, this is how we say yam is dropping bush. Jamaicans say yam is dropping bush
Yeah.
because you see the coat change. So they're in the process of ripening now. So you see the change, the color and everything.
Oh.
Right. Yes, so
Okay.
you're right. So soon from this we'll have yam in this.
Wow. I like the environment up here.
Yes, cool and nice.
Yes.
And the green.
Yes. All right.
I've seen it for the purple. In this section I have 192 hills of yam.
Wow.
Right in this section, 192 hills.
Wow.
Right, so in July, I can start reaping yam from this farm.
Oh, okay. Oh, these ones will be ready in July.
In July.
Okay.
Over here we have this banana chunk. You couldn't believe it's so big. This is first time, old time banana.
Wow.
We call it X19.
I never seen a banana chunk so big.
Right, so at home we have 2 big bunches
Yes.
that you see we cut them recently.
Okay.
Yeah, X19.
Yes.
When they're ripe, they don't stay on the stalk like other bananas. They fall off, so it's not a very famous banana. But I still love them because the
Okay.
chunks are big and sturdy.
Green banana.
Green banana.
Oh.
And all sections of my farm,
Yeah.
I give them a name.
Okay.
Because sometimes I'm sending the men
Yes.
when it's a school day, they cannot go.
Right.
So up here it's called change to hut.
Okay.
Change to hut.
Yes.
And down there I call it rabbit.
Oh, okay.
My reason for calling it rabbit,
Yeah.
when I plant those yams, they run striving.
Oh, okay.
But I take up some of the manure from the rabbit and
Yeah.
throw in it. And boy,
Oh.
it bears some yam you couldn't believe.
Oh.
Yes.
So
Right.
that's why the name rabbit.
Rabbit, right. I call it rabbit.
I like that.
Right, yes. And over here I call it mango tree. So if I'm going to send the men to work
Yes.
and I'm not here, I'm going to say, please go to mango tree.
Oh, okay. Yes. And that's a mango tree here?
Yes, a mango tree, but it don't bear, so
Right.
we limit.
Yes. Mango tree and rabbit.
Yes.
Yes.
You know, 3 years ago, my son told me he was going to get married.
Yeah.
And I said to myself, if he's going to get married, he's going to have a family,
Yes.
wife and children, so he's going to need some food.
Right.
So I wrote this farm for him.
Yes.
But I started, the men, they plant all of the yam and leave some tiny yam heads. And I took them up and plant them. And
Okay.
that's how we come by this big farm, keep on increasing. over
Oh.
here. Yes.
Okay. Wow, your farm has so many stories.
So there's some plantains here, but why they're so tall,
Yes.
they're trying to raise the yam. The
Oh,
yam is crowding them out, so
okay.
they're trying to reach on top so they can get the sunlight.
Wow. So when these plantains are ready, you have to just chop down the tree.
Chop down the whole tree,
Oh, wow.
because they're so tall. So here I have my hut. I cook in my hut.
Oh, this is the hut.
Yes.
Can't have a farm and not have a hut.
Hut, right, that's it.
Yes. Okay.
So it has been a while.
Since you've been in the hut.
I don't use it. I cook at home and take. But
Yes.
when I'm cooking, see, I have my hood.
Yes.
Yeah. See, I have that pad saga.
Yes.
See, I have my stones, my jugs.
Yeah.
But with these jugs, though, we don't use the water because they stay in the hut.
Yeah.
So when we're spraying like the grass, like you see the spray out there,
Right.
we use the water.
Okay.
Yeah. So I have my little dish rock and my little black pot that I use in the hut. Yes.
So, but I noticed you don't have any drums. So how you manage with the spraying?
The spraying, the gully,
Oh.
Jordan.
So you have to go from all the way down there.
Yeah,
you
go
have
to
to
Jordan for water.
Oh.
Like 6-7 chips of water
Wow.
at Jordan.
So you do
Yes.
well with some drums.
Drums, yes,
Okay.
really. Because I need the drums, but if I take a drum from home, I wouldn't have enough drums there.
Right.
Yes.
Okay.
If I could afford it, I would buy a little tank,
Right.
but I cannot afford it as it.
Yes, I understand.
Because guess what?
A nice black drum would do good too.
Yeah, farming is very expensive, you know.
Mm-hmm.
So all this see I'm boasting about the farm. There are times when you can't find the money to even
Yep.
maintain the farm.
It's true.
Yes.
It's true.
Because with the fertilizer and all that,
Yes,
sometimes
yes,
I can't find it.
yes.
So when I'm cooking a very big pot,
Mm-hmm.
it's very outside.
Oh, so I have the two blocks.
Yes, right.
Okay.
So you see, now is the time when I need some money. The yam did not sell well this year. and tell me it did not bear well either. You see, because of that heavy rain in October and November,
Yes, I remember that.
is the
rain.
worst of our yam this year.
Oh,
So you
okay.
see these, they're ready now to plant.
Oh,
So I have to get some money now
right.
to get the men to come and dig up the holes and plant the yam.
Yes, yes,
So see,
Okay.
we come down and we start up.
yes.
So here now, this piece is 152 hills, and this is called potato.
Potato?
Yes.
All right. We are in potato section, 152 hills.
Yes.
Yes.
Why? I call it potato. I was
Yeah.
coming to the farm one morning, I found a piece of potato slip,
Yes.
and I planted it right up there.
Okay.
So
I love this. I love
we
your
won't go down
farm.
there, but we have cane. They're not big, because we reap most of them, but I have some things down there.
Okay.
Victoria is a very quiet community. Thank God.
Yes.
Maybe because there are some praying mothers and fathers in this community.
Yes.
Thank God. The crime and violence, yeah, we curse it and we send it back to the pit of hell.
Yeah.
So here is very quiet, and we really, 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 really love that. You know,
Wonderful.
and in Victoria, we're always our brother's keeper. So
Yes.
if you hear a Dutch pot drop down on Miss Mary house, you're gonna look to see what's happening.
Right.
Yes, and you know, if you see your neighbor donkey on the street, you know that is Master Tom donkey.
Right.
And if the donkey gets away, you can tie back the donkey.
Right.
Yes, we know our neighbors' cows and all the animals, our neighbors' children. And guess what? Discipline, very disciplined community.
Right.
People, you know, 1 and 2 might break the rule, but people instill good values and attitudes in their children, and I love that. Really
What
love
the island Jamaica would be if
Yes.
all the communities were
Yes,
like that.
Yes, yes.
So we've
Wow.
already accomplished Vision 2030.
Yes.
A place to live, do business, and do work.
Yes.
Right.
Right, yeah.
Yes.
So we're getting there.
Yes.
I guess we just need to get a lot of other communities to come on board so that we can have a better Jamaica and just to have better socialization among the children because they're a mess.
Yes.
But we pray and I know God will continue to deliver them.
Oh yes. Oh yes. Wow. Powerful. Powerful message.
Go.
So we're heading out to the
Yes,
we're heading
yes.
back out to the
I
house.
want to say one thing. Can I run the baby? I rear my 4 children in this community. They're not perfect, but guess what? I instill the values, the attitude from a very early age, and because of that, I'm a proud mother today. My
Yes.
first son is living abroad. My second son, he works in security force. I won't say what. And then my daughter who follows, she is at UWI doing her final here, and this little girl, she is doing journalism at the university. And there are many powerful people in Victoria. Yes, and it can even be better. Let us instill the values, the attitudes, and instill the word of God at an early age.
Yes. Indeed, indeed. Powerful word. Powerful word.
So we're going right over there. That's the cornfield. See?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Going.
Hi, Michelle, over there in St. Hans. Monique St. Hans.
Okay.
Very beautiful girl. So
Yeah.
she gave me these plants. Sometimes I wonder why they give me so much things to plant. You know? But she gave me these plants and said I must make use of them. So
They know that you have miracle hands, man.
yes,
Or blessed
I did
hands.
that farm.
So these are pop choy.
Bok choy, yes.
Okay.
So that's the seedlings. This corn now, my son, he bought that sweet corn,
Yes.
and it's the first we're seeing that brand.
Oh.
So I'm gonna look at the seedling. So he said he wants to try it. So I didn't want to plant it
Okay.
because it's a new brand. We have never tried this in Victoria.
Okay.
Yes. So
Sweet corn.
yes, sweet corn. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
So all of this is sweet corn.
No, this is the native corn.
Yes.
So it was not enough to plant, so I planted this at the side. But they're doing well.
Yes.
They're doing so well. And in this corn again, I plant a lot of cucumber. I plant cucumber. I plant string beans in
Yeah.
the same corn piece.
Okay. Yeah, I can see the cucumber.
Yes. So because I start reaping from the other game.
Sweet corn.
Sweet corn. So very soon we'll have sweet corn to eat.
Yes.
Here we have a plant. It's called dandelion. The earlier days we used to call this thing stoppage of water. That's how the Jamaican used to call it.
Yeah.
But now it's called prostate cancer. This is what they use, they boil and drink it for prostate cancer.
Yeah, yeah.
So I'm advertising dandelion. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, so here the beans are like coffee. That's where you would boil for prostate cancer.
Okay.
Yes.
Nice.
Oh, this strawberry farm is a little child. My son, he loves the farming too. And although he works elsewhere, he started this little strawberry farm just like last month. And it's doing well because you can see little strawberries coming out on the trees. Yes. They're doing well, and I just love them. And he make up his own irrigation. I don't know how he managed to do that.
Nice.
Yes, and these here, they were planted since Tuesday of this week, so they are not so strong as yet.
Okay.
But yes.
I like the way how he set up this system
here.
Yes,
so he has in mind to go further. He would want to set up a greenhouse area.
Right.
Well, I hope he'll get the resources to do that.
Yes.
I know that is very expensive.
Yes.
So that is strawberry farm.
Wow, this is the second time I'm seeing strawberry in about 3 days.
Oh, Lord.
A strawberry farm.
And here I have my full coop.
Okay.
It's empty. Presently it's empty because the feeding was scarce the other day. And the chickens are expensive. And most time you put in like 100 chicken, you end up with 50. I don't know what happened. Sometimes you know the type of chicken why they won't do well.
Yes. So we need to fill up back that pen with some chickens.
Yes. No, the goat is they're on the road, so we'll get to the goats. So when I take them in at night, I tie them around here because the dogs, they're dangerous.
Okay.
Yes. So the rabbits and my 2 pigeons, they're up here.
No, sure.
Yes, so I love them. She has eggs in there, so she is now. The old people would call it setting. Right, so within a few, I'll have baby pigeons. They had some before, but 2 weeks ago we were in Pauline's and we heard that there was a rain and the whole rabbit pen came down. So I don't have a lot of rabbits again. Yeah. I have to give away some and I sold some. So this is my rabbit. Lean ear.
Oh, this one is called lean ear.
Yes.
Pretty, yes. Pretty color.
Yes. I used to have over 50 rabbits.
Oh yeah?
Yes, I have to cut down because it's not easy for me to manage the farm at this time. Yeah. And this one is Spot.
Okay.
That one is called Spot.
Hello, Spot.
Spot?
Spot seems shy.
Yes, and they'll pose when they're ready.
Oh yeah?
Yes. And this one is Slowly.
Hi, Slowly. Slowly cutie.
Yes. So I'm gonna build up my rabbit farm again, but for now I can't manage alone because it takes a lot of work to take care of them. They love the clean environment. So these are potatoes. These are Irish potatoes where we went this morning. The first place we went, the carrot field, the Irish potato was planted there first. But now we reap the Irish potatoes. So what I'm doing now, I'm actually burning them so they'll get green. When they get green, I'll put them into a bag and store them. And when they start bursting eyes, I'll plant them. Right, yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, I see. Everyone have different methods.
Yes.
Because I see some people do it differently.
Okay.
Like some people, they use like the smaller baby sweet Irish potato. And then they cover them in a bath and cover them with something and then just leave them to sprout.
Really? I might try that one.
And they just start growing some little eyes. And then,
yes. I could try that one. March. You were born March 1.
Okay.
So, and this one is Giffet because my sister-in-law gave me her as a gift. So this is Giffet. And that's her 2 babies.
Marca and?
Marca and March. So
Okay.
this is Marca and this is March.
Oh.
This is Giffet. And
Yes.
that one over there is Ruth.
Hello, Ruth.
Yeah.
Okay.
So the other two, they are way around there. So we won't
Yes.
bother. So these are the goats. So I have to travel with them every morning and every evening because dogs will eat them.
Yeah.
So I have to take them on the farm every morning, every single morning,
Oh.
and come back for them in the evening. That is a
Yeah.
work by itself.
Wow.
Yes.
Farming so many things, I can't even remember all the crops.
Oh Lord, yes.
And
so
you
many.
and you have your animals too.
Yes, too. Yes.
Wow,
yes.
and you have to teach and
yes,
do all the
everything.
other
Yes.
stuff that you
And
have
while
to.
I was on the farm, person's calling for JP work because it doesn't matter what time of the day.
Yeah.
They'll always call.
Right.
And as long as I can help them, I won't turn them away.
Yes.
Yes. And don't call me in the night, man, when I'm going
Right.
to bed.
Yes.
Because I work very hard in the day and I need to rest.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. I understand that.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
Giffet.
Yes. Give
Marco.
Mark and March.
Oh, Mark
Yes.
and Mark.
Yes. And that's Ruth.
Okay.
Yes.
Great. All right.
So this is where we started. We went right round and come around. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Last year it put out a few, but they were eaten by birds. So it's being for the first time. So the children will have fun this summer
Yes.
eating apples.
Wow.
Yes, I know I won't get a chance to get any because the children around, they'll always come and eat.
Wow.
And it's just a beauty to know that you can provide for the children.
Yes.
I'm good. I'm good, Lee. Yes, man. So perfect. It was good.
Well, I must say, Mrs. Givans, this was a lovely, lovely day.
Yes.
A pleasant farm tour.
Yes.
It is really indeed. I don't want to say it's a pleasure. I use that word too much.
Yes.
I can't find the word, but it's really nice meeting you. And so sometimes you have some young lady like myself
Yes.
who we want to do stuff,
Yes.
but we don't have the inspiration.
Yes.
So what you're doing is very inspirational.
Yes.
And I know it's gonna motivate and inspire everyone who sees this video.
Yes. So
And
true.
thank you so much for serving the nation, for feeding Jamaica, and for teaching and educating our children.
Yes.
Because you wear so many hats.
Yes, you're most welcome. And
Yes.
I want to say to the young people out there,
Yeah.
not all of us will be farmers,
Yes.
teachers, lawyers, doctors, but there's something for everyone
Yes.
out there. You can find something to do. You know, in my teaching, when I just started, when I left secondary school, I did not have one subject.
Yes.
And then I was motivated by a past teacher, Mr. Nehemiah Foster, you know I love you.
Right.
Yes, and he told me to go and do some CXCs, and I went. When I went to college, the first day I went to college, the same day she was going to primary school.
Oh.
So you know I was a big woman then.
Yes.
And I weathered the storm.
Yes.
And thank God, today I am a proud teacher, a proud farmer, and a nation builder.
Yes. Yes.
And let me
Indeed.
shout out to all the people in Victoria, a very good neighborhood, somewhere where anybody would want to live. I just love the Victorians. Let us live in love and unity.
Yes.
And remember, God can allow you to do anything you want.
So from my farm to yours,
Yes.
I want to give you some scallions, some thyme.
Wow.
And these times have the roots, so you can actually
Plant them.
plant them.
I'm
and-
happy.
Yes.
Yes.
And eventually you'll have a thyme farm for yourself.
myself, yes.
And
So
some
good.
scallions.
Yes.
So how you plant the scallions now? You want to clean up, you want to cut off the root and clean it, trim it up, just like you
selling it.
present it when
Yeah.
you're selling it in the market.
Yes.
Right? Like these now you can separate them. Right?
Yes.
Clean it up
Okay.
and then you just stick it in the ground.
Right. Yes.
But make sure you clean it up before you plant
yes.
it.
Okay. Yes.
Right.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Yes. Thank you so much.
And this also, just before you start, this is a liquid organic fertilizer.
Yes.
And it's a 3-in-1. So it's a pesticide, a fertilizer, and a fungicide. Right.
That's good. Yes.
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 So you don't have to, you have to buy this for one specific
Right,
thing.
yes,
And
yeah.
This is 3-in-1, so you don't have to do that.
Okay.
Right,
yes,
and this
good.
is a 5-gallon jug, so you use 1 gallon
Yes.
for a 45-gallon drum.
Yes. Okay.
Right.
So I have carrots in the field. I could use it to spray the carrots.
Anything.
Yes. Corn.
Works on
Anything.
any- Yes, it's
Okay,
all
very good.
natural.
Yes. All right.
Right.
Yes. Yes. So thank you very much.
You're
And the
welcome.
time, I don't have not even a plant, so I'm so happy for it.
You're
so happy.
welcome.
Yes. So
Yes.
my old grandmother would say, "Anigo, pack it come."
Right.
So from my farm to you,
Yes.
so I'm giving you these 2 bunches of banana.
Oh, I'm so
Yes.
grateful.
Yes.
Thank
And
you.
Red peas.
Thank
Yes.
you.
And I have red bananas in it too. So
Oh, wow.
yes, right. So you can
And-
take some home for your baby.
Right.
Yes.
Thanks so much.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes. You're
So
welcome.
you know, this is not going to be the last time you're seeing me.
Oh my. Yes.
I'll be coming back,
Yes.
and I'll be coming back,
Yes.
and you'll be seeing a lot of me.
Yes. Okay.
Right? You know, this has been such a genuine connection between us. A mother to a daughter.
Yes.
Because
Yes.
you're older than I am.
Yes, I am. Yes.
And your farm is very inspirational. And I know you're not asking for anything. You're not begging anybody anything.
No.
But you deserve anything that is coming your way, and that will come your way.
Yes.
You deserve it 100%.
Yes.
So, as citizen of this country and as diaspora
Yes.
looking on, I know seeing your video will motivate them,
Yes.
and you'll be getting some calls, I'm sure.
Okay.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes. All right. Thank
So,
you.
so you want some chickens? I know your chicken coop
It's empty at this
is
time.
empty.
Yes.
Yes. And you'll need some chicken feed as
Yes.
well.
Yes.
So I know help is coming your way.
Yes.
As I say, you're not begging, but
No.
I just have that feeling in my spirit that help is coming your way.
Yes. My help comes from the Lord who made
Yes.
heaven and earth. Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
yes. All right.
Yes, I want to thank you so much and thank your husband as well.
Yes.
Thank you for finding us up here in the cool hills of Victoria on top of the Mocha Mountain. We don't use fans.
Yes.
The air is fresh. We breathe fresh air in and out every day.
Yeah.
God bless you and continue your journey
Yes.
and keep on doing what you're doing. Your reward will be great. God bless you.
Thank you.
Yes, yes,
And you're blessing me with some string beans too.
yes. Peas, yes.
Oh, it's peas. It's red peas.
yeah.
Yes, red
For
peas.
dinner tomorrow.
Oh,
Yes,
thank you.
yes.
Nice. It's the first time I'm going to have red peas that I'm actually going to shell myself.
Really?
Yes. I
And,
was
and
just
it's
buy
going to
red
taste so
peas.
different. Yes.
Yes?
Yes, so different.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yes,
I'm going to
okay.
share it with my mother.
Yeah, you're most welcome.
Wow.
Safe journey back home.
Yes.
Saying shout out to all those Jamaicans living abroad in Africa, because it is said that the Jamaican lives everywhere in the world. You know, you have one Jamaican in every country in the world. So those living in Africa, the great America, Canada, Europe, France, and all the Caribbean countries like St. Martin's and all those other Caribbean countries. You remember the good old red pea soup when Mama used to cook? Yes, I'm putting 2 Irish potato, 2 carrots. Oh my, and Mommy would boil up that pot and put some coconut milk in it. Yes, and then they would put thyme and scallion. They said they're cousins. So thyme and scallion would season up the pot. Yes, real Jamaicans. All the Jamaicans living abroad, those in Florida, you know that you can have your backyard garden. So when you reach Jamaica, call me on my line. I'll give you some of the time that my friend here give me. Real Jamaican people all over the world, the best people in the world to live with. Cool, run down Jamaica. Thank you.
Until next time, walk good and make good duppy walk with you.